Hello dear students, good morning. You are most welcome to my video lecture. This is Harendra Tiwari, your chemistry educator from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I am going to explain in this video about mass number from the chapter Structure of the Atom, class 9th standard chemistry. So let us learn about mass number. Before going to explain the mass number, just in 2 minutes I am willing to revise your previous concept, that is atomic number. In last video I have explained that about the atomic number. There we understand that atomic number is equal to the number of protons present in the nucleus of a particular atom of an element. Atomic number is the characteristics property of a particular atom of a particular elements. Means we can say that the group of atoms which has the same number of protons, they are belonging to a particular element. If a group of atoms has the different number of protons in their nucleus, means they all are belonging to the different elements. Is it clear? Atomic number concept, it is such as your roll number assigned in your class by your class teacher or by your school. So same as atomic number we have assigned for a particular elements. So atomic number is the roll number of a particular element. That's it. Now let us understand that mass number concept. In this video you will be able to understand that how these terms came in existence, what is the meaning of mass number, and what is the usefulness or application of the mass number. How this understanding will help you to understand the behavior and characteristics property of a particular atom which is belonging to a particular element. So let us first try to understand. First of all, I tell you as we know that atom, structure of atom. So structure of atom is what? Structure, every atom has the two parts. One is the nucleus. Nucleus is consist of neutron and protons, and outside the nucleus an energy level are present, that we call the extranuclear part. So in the energy levels electrons are present residing. Each and every energy level has a particular fixed value of the number of electrons that we decide by the rule 2n square. This is clear. So now here the term is mass number. Here we have term mass number. So mass number, this is a very easy. If I ask you what is the mass number, a number which is expressed the mass, that's it, nothing else. A number which is expressed the mass. But how this mass number is related to a particular atom? Let us see here. If I ask you what is the mass of electron, so mass of electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram, or in terms of the gram we can write 28 gram. Mass of proton, so mass of proton, one proton 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Mass of neutron, which is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So these are the masses of different fundamental particles which are present in the atom. So what will be the total mass of the atom? So sum of the masses of the total, if total mass of an atom So that should be equal to sum of the masses of sum of the masses of all the fundamental particles. Is it clear to you? Such as if you have a carry bag and in this carry bag you carry 2 kilogram rice, 5 kilogram sugar, 2 kilogram or 3 kilogram tea leaf and 0.02 gram dhania powder. Now tell me what will be the mass of this carry bag. The mass of this carry bag 2573010.02 gram. Is it clear? So same as the mass of the atoms is the sum of the masses of the number of protons, electrons and neutrons present in the nucleus, in the atom. Mass of this carry bag because of the presence of these particles. So the mass of these atoms is the presence of these fundamental particles. Is it clear? If we consider here the mass of the dhania, which is the very less that can be considered, you can roughly write 10 kilogram. Can you? To same as the mass of atoms, while we are going to write, we can roughly write the mass of protons and mass of neutrons. We can consider here the mass of electron is negligible as compared to the mass of protons or mass of the neutron. Mass of the electrons is very less, so that can be considered as a negligible. So from this explanation it is clear that mass of a particular atoms because of the presence of the fundamental particles. While we are going to express the mass, we generally consider the mass of the protons plus mass of the neutrons. Is it clear? In terms of when we express the mass of a particular atoms in terms of the atomic mass unit, so we can write this is one atomic mass unit and this is one atomic mass unit. Mass, this value 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram, it is nearly equal to one atomic mass unit. The same as the mass of the neutron is nearly equal to one atomic mass unit. This is clear. So in terms of the atomic mass unit, suppose for example, here I take the example of hydrogen. Hydrogen has the one proton, so it has the one protons. So what would be the mass of the hydrogen? The mass of the hydrogen we can write nearly equal to roughly one atomic mass unit. Is it clear? So helium 2, atomic number 2, it has 2 protons plus 2 neutrons. So we can roughly write the mass is the 4u, or mass of one proton is 1u, 2 proton 2u and 2 neutron 2u, 4u. So mass of helium is 4. Beryllium 3, it has 3 protons plus 4 neutrons, that is equal to 7 unified. The mass of beryllium is equal to 7 atomic mass unit. Means this is the relative atomic mass. So relative atomic mass we can convert in the actual atomic mass in terms of the gram we can express. So here we are observing that is mass of helium, mass of beryllium, it is depend on that mass, number of protons and number of neutrons. So here we have conceptualized the one terms by removing this unit. This terms is called the mass number. Why we call the mass number? Because the mass of a particular atoms, because of the presence of the number of protons and the number of neutrons. So here we got a number that indicate the mass of a particular atom. This is clear to you? In such way, the mass number terms has been conceptualized. Mass number indicate us that number of nucleons present in the nucleus. Since the number of nucleons are responsible for the mass of an atom. Is it clear? So nucleons, here I use the term nucleons. So nucleons means what? Nucleons means, we use commonly these terms, the fundamental particles which are present in the nucleus, means number of protons and number of neutrons. This is clear? Number of protons and number of neutrons is nucleons. Number of protons and number of neutrons is known as nucleons. Protons plus neutron. This is a nucleus. So we can define the mass number mathematically. Mass number is equal to total number of nucleons in the nucleus of an atom. Nucleus of an atom. We can write it mass number is equal to sum of the number of protons and neutrons and sum of the number of protons and number of neutrons. We can write it mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. This is a mass number concept. So we got one mathematical expression for the mass number. Mass number is expressed by the symbol A. So it is denoted by a symbol A. It is unitless value, right? It is unitless value. It does not have any unit. For example, what is the mass number of hydrogen? Then 1. What is the mass number of helium? 4. What is the mass number of beryllium? 7. Application of this concept, that it help us to find out the mass of an atom. It helps us to calculate the mass of an atom. With the help of the mass number, we can easily calculate the mass number. Another, it helps us to find out number of neutrons or number of protons present in the nucleus. Basically, number of neutron we can get the information by the atomic number. So basically, it helps us to find out the number of neutron. With the help of this concept, we can easily calculate the number of neutron if we know the mass number. So you have to note it down, this information, then I will continue with the some numerical problem. Let us find out the mass number, atomic number. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8. Atomic number, this information we know. Now on the basis of this information, we have another information also. Neutron 0, helium 3, sorry, helium has the 2 neutron, lithium 4, beryllium 5, boron 6, carbon 6, nitrogen 8 and oxygen 8. On the basis of this information, we are going to calculate the mass number. So atomic number is what? Number of protons. So the number of protons we can write for the hydrogen 1. Helium atomic number 2, number of proton 2. Lithium atomic number 3, number of proton 3. Beryllium atomic number 4, number of proton 4. Boron atomic number 5, number of proton 5. Carbon atomic number 6, number of proton 6. Nitrogen atomic number 7, number of proton 7. Oxygen atomic number 8, number of 8. We got this information, number of proton. Now mass number. So mass number A is equal to, we can write A is equal to number of proton. So number of proton 1 plus number of neutron 0, that is equal to 1. Clear? In case of helium, A is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron, 2 plus 2, 4. In case of lithium, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. In case of beryllium, 4 plus 5, 9. In case of boron, 5 plus 6, 11. In case of carbon, 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6. In case of nitrogen, 7 plus 8, 15. In case of oxygen, 8 plus 8, 16. So this is the mass number. In such way we can calculate the mass number. Here in case of hydrogen, so this is hydrogen atoms are 3 types of the hydrogen atoms, right? That we call the isotopes. So hydrogen, deuterium and tritium, protium, deuterium and tritium. It has 1 proton plus 0 neutron. It has 1 proton plus 1 neutron. It has 1 proton plus 2 neutron. So mass number of protium will be 1, deuterium 1 plus 1 2, a tritium 2 plus 1 3. That we will learn in the isotopes concept. So there are 3 types of the hydrogen atom. Now see here, the number of neutron in boron and carbon are same. So these 2 atoms have the relation isotonic. We call them isotonic. Nitrogen and oxygen, same number of neutron. So they are known as isotonic. The group of atoms having the same number of neutron, we call them isotonic. So this is about now symbol for an element with atomic number and mass number. So how we will express in terms of the symbol particular elements with atomic number and mass number. Suppose if an element X, so it is a convention, we have to write atomic number down and mass number at the up, at the corner of the element. Atomic number at mass number. Or generally this is a present times we use this symbol, right? Another convention is that write atomic number and at this corner mass number. Atomic number at the left and the mass number at the right. So we can X, Z is the atomic number, A is the mass number, or X, Z, A. Is it clear? So this is the symbolic representation of atomic number, element and mass number together. For example, hydrogen. So symbol of element, right? And then atomic number 1 and mass number 1. Or H1H. So both are correct. Helium, He24. This number indicate atomic number, this number indicate mass number. Helium-24. Both are the correct. Now, here the one question. An atom of X has number of protons 15. 15 protons and number of neutrons 17. What will be the mass, number and relative atomic mass of X? Assign the symbol of X with atomic number and mass number. Now, first of all, we have to calculate the mass number. So, as we know, mass number A is equal to number of proton plus number of neutrons. So number of protons given 15 plus number of neutrons 17. So 15 protons, 17 neutron, total we will get 32. So mass number here 32. Is it clear? Now, relative atomic mass. Since mass number of X is 32, therefore relative atomic mass will be 32 U. That's it. If asking that actual atomic mass in the terms of gram, then 32 multiplied by 1.67, then we will get that. Now, assign the symbol of X with atomic number and mass number. So, atomic number, since atomic number is not given in the question, given the number of protons, right? The information given about number of proton. This is the first question. Now, here the second. So since number of proton in X is equal to 15. Therefore atomic number Z is equal to number of proton. So we can write Z is equal to 15. Clear? Now symbol. So X and X mass atomic number 15 and mass number 32. So that's all for today. Thank you. So you have to learn all those, and one important point another, I will give the some assignment question in PDF notes, so you have to do that. Wish you all the best.